Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming on back. Today's video is pretty much gonna be like on my winter like makeup routine, what I do these days. And you know, I created this look right here. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. Let's just jump right into it. Okay guys, so first thing first, for primer, I use the NYX Pore Filler. I use this, you know, first, and then on top I put the Fix and Perfect by Rimmel London primer. And the reason why I did it like that is because I feel like the pore filler just, you know, it isn't enough on its own, but when you put it on, it does feel like matte. It's filling your pores. It's doing its job. So I put this on top because my skin, she just needs some extra loving right now. Like, it's cold out, it's winter time, like, yeah. So for foundation, I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills stick foundation, and this is in the color Cocoa. I'm not even gonna color correct. I'm not gonna do any of that. I'm just gonna go right in. Okay, so now I am gonna go to concealer. I'm using the Wet n Wild HD Photofocus in the shade Light and Medium. So I feel like my concealer is all blended out. Now for, you know, setting my concealer, today I'm gonna show you guys how I wet my brush. Okay, and then I'm gonna use my Sacha Buttercup, and I love how it applies like this because, you know, it doesn't give me an excessive amount, which is fine. Like, I love, like, I'm a full coverage bitch. And so I like, you know, excessive amounts most of the time, I would say, but I find myself, like, during the winter, I'm like, screw it, whatever. You know, let me just get myself set. I don't need that much. Maybe not today. And then the other setting powder that I'm gonna use is the Airspun, and this is the extra translucent one. This is another powder that, you know, I've been really wanting to try for forever and a day, and I finally recently got it. So you know, this is translucent. I do have darker skin, so this is not a powder that I can just use on its own. I mean, I could, but it'll look a little ashy. So what I like to do is I like to put my Sacha down first, and then I will place the Airspun on top. And so that's what I'm doing here. And honestly, since I am a deeper, you know, skin tone, a little bit goes a long way. So that's all for these setting powders. And then next for contouring, I'm gonna do something a little different, a little old school, a little old school. This is Crown Brush, okay? They are a brush and cosmetic company. And like, this is like one of my first palettes that I ever bought. And this is what it looks like. I don't even know the name of it. Sorry guys, like I don't know the name. But I'm gonna use these like darker shades over here, which is like these darker browns, and I'm gonna use that to contour just a smidge. Honestly, because I don't wanna go in with one of my, you know, cream contour sticks and just, because if I start, I'm not gonna stop, you guys. I'm not gonna stop. It's gonna be full glam, like mink lashes, everything. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of this Crown Brush eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna use it to, you know, just chisel really. See, like, okay, I'm feeling just a little bit. It may look a little deathly to you, just a little bit, but you know, we's gonna work it out over here. This is what we do. And you know, I just want to try it out real quick. It's been a minute since I've done something like this because I don't use powder contours, which a lot of people like swear by them. I'm just not one of those people. Like, I love cream. That's just me. So I just haven't done this in a while because it's powder, and then C, you know, it's my eyeshadow palette, guys. And I'm not even gonna contour my nose today. Why? You know what I mean? Like, let's just, you know, let's just work with what he gave us, okay? So that's what we's gonna do. I'm just gonna leave it like that, and then I'm gonna diffuse it just a smidge, just a little bit. And so first of all, I'm just gonna cut it a little bit. I'm just gonna cut it just a smidge, you know, so people, you know, can see her, okay? Now I'm gonna like kind of blend that in a little bit more. And I'm gonna blend in the forehead. I'm gonna come over here. And I know I just cut it, but I want to blend yet diffuse. So I like how, okay, it worked out, you know, it did what it's supposed to. Just blend that. Okay, so now I am going to go ahead and pop on my eyebrows. And then I will be right back to go to the next step, guys. Okay guys, so I am back. I went ahead and took my bake off. I added some nice lashes. I went ahead and did those brows, you know, just, you know, got it together. And then, so now for blush, I'm taking this palette that I got from Forever 21. And this was like at least 4 years ago, guys. Like, the lid is gone, like one of these fell out, like, and they don't even make it anymore because I actually went on their site like months ago to look for this palette because I think this is like so bomb. You get so many cute shades, and I think this was like, I don't know, in between like $15 to $18, I would say, at the time. And I like this, so this is what I'm gonna use for my blush today. And this is, I use this palette a lot, obviously, and I mostly use this shade right here. It's kind of like a cinnamon brick shade almost. And so I'm gonna head and I'm gonna do the same. They're really pigmented, this palette right here. I'm not even joking, you guys. So like I said, you know, if you're buying stuff online, check out what, you know, the sites that you're on, check out and see what they have for you guys. You never know, maybe you could like it. So now for lips. For the lips, because I am not doing eyeshadow today, you guys. I mean, this is my winter tutorial right here. Like, this is what I do. I do not wear eyeshadow on a daily basis. This is it, you know, get that base going, get those brows going, pop on some lashes, blush and my lips, and this is how I rock it out. So again, I'm gonna go with my same one, my berry, you know, brown, you know, lip liner. Okay, you guys, so for the lips today, I am using Gerard Cosmetics. I hope you guys can see that. Gerard's Cosmetics, and this shade is called 90210. This is their Hydra matte, from their Hydra matte collection, and they have so many colors, you guys. So many colors, and I just love it. So now that we are done, I have nothing left for this look, like nothing. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face, set my cute little face with this Morphe Continuously Setting Mist. And I know I said that wrong.